Open the robot cover, then press the dustbin clip to remove the dustbin. Open the dustbin cover and dump rubbish. Remove the filter and tap the basket gently. Fully dry after cleaning. Press the two release clips on the side of the water tank. Remove the mopping module and pull the mop pad off the mopping module. Pour out the water in the tank, clean with water only and leave to air dry before reinstalling. Clean the mop pad with water only and leave to air dry before reinstalling. Press the brush guard clips inwards to remove the brush guard and lift the brush out of the robot. Use the included cleaning tool to remove any hairs tangled on the brush. Pull out the side brushes and use the included cleaning tool to remove any hair tangled on the brush. Please use a dry dishcloth for cleaning a robot. Do not use a wet dishcloth to prevent damage caused by water.